In today's digital age, the internet offers boundless opportunities to earn income from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're looking to supplement your existing income or pursue full-time entrepreneurship, the online world presents a myriad of avenues for financial success. From freelancing in e-commerce to affiliate marketing and content creation, there are countless ways to monetize your skills and expertise. In this video, we discuss some of the best strategies for making money online, empowering you to harness the power of the internet to achieve your financial goals. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing has emerged as one of the most popular ways to make money online, offering flexibility and autonomy to individuals with diverse skill sets. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients seeking services ranging from graphic design and writing to programming and digital marketing. By showcasing your skills and building a strong portfolio, you can attract clients and command competitive rates in your chosen niche. 2. E-commerce. The rise of e-commerce has revolutionized the way we buy and sell goods, providing entrepreneurs with unprecedented access to global markets. Whether you're selling handmade crafts on Etsy, dropshipping products on Shopify, or leveraging Amazon's vast reach, e-commerce platforms offer a scalable and lucrative business model. By identifying niche markets, sourcing quality products, and implementing effective marketing strategies, you can build a successful online store and generate sustainable income. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing enables individuals to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. By joining affiliate programs offered by companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and Commission Junction, you can earn passive income through referrals and sales. Success in affiliate marketing requires strategic promotion, targeted audience engagement, and transparency in disclosing affiliate relationships. By leveraging content marketing, email campaigns, and social media, you can maximize your earning potential as an affiliate marketer. 4. Content creation. In an era dominated by digital content consumption, there's a growing demand for high-quality content across various platforms. Whether you're a blogger, vlogger, podcaster, or social media influencer, monetizing your content can be a lucrative venture. Platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and Patreon offer creators opportunities to monetize their content through ad revenue, sponsorships, subscriptions, and donations. By consistently producing engaging and valuable content that resonates with your audience, you can build a loyal following and monetize your passion. 5. Online courses and coaching. The internet has democratized access to education, allowing individuals to learn new skills and pursue personal development goals online. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can monetize your knowledge by creating and selling online courses or offering coaching services. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera provide tools and infrastructure for course creation, marketing, and delivery. By packaging your expertise into comprehensive learning experiences, you can generate passive income and establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry. 6. Stock trading and investing. For those with a keen interest in finance and a willingness to take calculated risks, online stock trading and investing can be a lucrative avenue for wealth accumulation. With access to online brokerage platforms like Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, and E-Trade, individuals can buy and sell stocks, bonds, ETFs, and other securities with ease. While stock trading carries inherent risks, diligent research, disciplined risk management, and continuous learning can help mitigate losses and maximize returns over time. In summary, the internet has democratized wealth creation, offering individuals from all walks of life the opportunity to make money online. Whether you're leveraging your skills as a freelancer, building an e-commerce empire, or monetizing your content as a creator, the possibilities for online income are limitless. By identifying your strengths, honing your craft, and embracing innovative strategies, you can unlock the full potential of the internet to achieve financial freedom and live life on your own terms.